Today we have a LOBKIN branded speaker alarm clock, and this is going to be Bluetooth compatible. So with your alarm clock, it does provide HD calling, looks like maybe a built-in radio, and dual alarm clock. So you have two different sets of alarms you can set. And let's see here what we have on the side. We've got battery power display, last number redial, voice prompts. All right, cool. So let's get this open up, see what we're working with, huh? Alright, and right off the bat, I love the wood look here. And this is a cloth canvas, I can feel that. It's a nice texture. I really like the finish on this. This is really nice. Alright, what else do we have in the box? We've got, there we go. Our power supply is going to be, looks to be micro USB, and our instruction manual, and a audio jack. So if you want to use your headphones. Alright, well I guess the next thing to do is get this hooked up and see what I'm working with. Alright, we are back. I've got this plugged in. Let's go ahead and power it up. Long pressing the power button on the top. There's hello. There is the option to connect this through Bluetooth and set this time automatically, but that only functions with iOS devices. I have an Android device, so that won't function. So we're going to have to do this the manual way. Now, let's go ahead and get the time set.
Bluetooth mode. FM mode.
Alright, and there's that, and what's current time? It's 8:51. Oh, wrong button. 8:51. There we go. 2022. And oh, wrong button. Alright, time is now been set. Now, we have different mode options here.
Bluetooth mode.
There's Bluetooth.
FM mode.
Alright, that was FM mode. I'm going to pair this to my phone and we can play something via Bluetooth.
Bluetooth mode.
Going to put my phone in Bluetooth mode. Going to look for the speaker. There we go. And let's get some music on.
Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking.
Alright, so right out the gate, it sounds really clear. I do like the audio that it puts out. The option of having Bluetooth is rather nice.
FM mode.
And there's your alarm clock.